How often should my carpets be cleaned is one of the most often asked questions from my 30+ years as a carpet cleaner, and the answer really is, well, it depends. Factors which can affect cleaning frequency are: how many people use the carpet every day? Do they take their shoes off at the door? Is it a public area? How often is proper vacuuming done, and what method of cleaning was used the last time? These things can make an enormous difference to how often a carpet needs cleaning. So we'll look at two scenarios. In the first, you have good quality dense pile carpet, you have low foot traffic, no kids, and you always take your shoes off at the door. You carefully vacuum twice a week, and you have a professional cleaning company use a low moisture, pH neutral cleaning system on your carpet. Well, in such circumstances, you really only need to clean the carpet every 1 or 2 years. More often wouldn't hurt, but it's not really necessary unless you're having visitors you want to impress. Well, let's take another scenario. Perhaps you have a large family with several children and pets, or maybe even a public area such as a commercial building with heavy foot traffic coming in off the street. Perhaps vacuum is not done regularly or not thoroughly, and cleaning is done by a cheap and cheerful or budget company, although this can work out more expensive. In this case, cleaning would be needed every 4 to 6 months, and even then rapid wear would be impossible to prevent without improving or vacuuming or increasing the cleaning frequency even further. Probably though you fall somewhere in between these two extremes. As a rough rule of thumb, I've found that the vast majority of my clients fall into a pattern of yearly cleaning, with some needing a light clean or spot removal in between. Commercial buildings or public areas should budget for a twice yearly clean with maybe a light cleaning in between. This is not too often to be too expensive, but it's enough to keep your carpets looking great. Planning to do this will give you the best appearance and longest life from your carpets and fabrics. In fact, major carpet manufacturers, including Shaw's Industries, the world's largest carpet maker, and DuPont, one of the world's largest fibre manufacturers, recommend professional cleaning every 6 to 18 months, depending on usage. The key is always clean it before it looks dirty. Carpet is superbly designed to hide soil, and by the time it's visible, wear is already happening. If your carpet hasn't been cleaned in the last 1 to 2 years, don't put it off any longer. If you've just moved into a home, get your carpets cleaned immediately, because you just never know what might be in them. Another consideration would be health reasons such as asthma or eczema. Considerable research has been done and confirmed that carpet cleaning is very, very beneficial to these symptoms. Anybody with these types of sensitivities and allergies should get their carpets cleaned regularly. I hope this has helped.